So now let's see how we can work around with Excerpt Block inside of wordpress.com. So in order to go ahead and work around with the Excerpt Block, you need to go ahead and then hover over in between two blocks right here and then click on the plus button. So once I go ahead and do that, if I were to type in excerpt right here just like this, then what happens is that I simply have my excerpt right here. So you can see that I can also add in a read more link text. So I'm just going to go around and say no more right here just like this. So if I were to go ahead right here and say no more, then this is what you have. If I were to go around, move this up or down just like this, then this is what you have. As you can see, you can go around and align it to the center and so forth as well. I can go around, change the number of words for the excerpt as well, just like this. And then you can also go ahead and change around the text color right here. You can change around the background, let's say for example, and change around the typography level right here, just like this as well. You can also go ahead and add in padding right here just like this and change around the margin right here as well, and then work around with the border right here just like this as well and change around the radius as well. So this is the excerpt as you can see right here. So let me just go ahead and then save this out. And if I were to go ahead and then let's say for example go around onto the new page, then this is what you have. As you can see, you got no more in this excerpt right here just like this. So if I were to go around and click, then it'll go around and redirect out to that particular page. So that is how you can go ahead and then utilize the excerpt block inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.